At Premier Truck Group, we pride ourselves on providing exceptional customer service. For clients requiring simple to complex collision repairs, we strive to deliver on that commitment every time. To assure our collision centers are industry-leading, we employ the highest skilled professional technicians and painters, utilize state-of-the-art technology, and adhere to continuous quality improvement processes. Premier Collision team members undergo comprehensive industry-leading training, such as Daimler Truck's Workshop Repair Manual procedures, ICAR, and ASE certifications. This training assures that our collision technicians and painters are amongst the most qualified in the heavy-duty truck industry. We strive for excellence by using the very best training and following a 51-point checklist process when restoring your vehicle back to pre-accident condition. We continue to support and follow OEM procedures by incorporating state-of-the-art equipment such as Huck tooling, Henrob self-piercing, B-line frame equipment with digital frame measurement, Hunter alignment with printout, and accurate estimating through AdjustRight. And with multitudes of facilities throughout North America, Premier makes it convenient to locate a collision center near you. Premier Truck Group has serviced thousands of customers throughout North America for more than 3 decades. Visit us today and see why on-highway and vocational customers choose Premier Truck Group for their commercial vehicle needs.